Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here, Greywater Green. Today we're going to talk about LEED, that's L-E-E-D certification for buildings. This video is to help you out with how you can achieve higher points and higher certification by utilizing Greywater. So what we're seeing is that the buildings are being designed with the Greywater, but during the landscape design, they're utilizing regular drinkable water. So we need to switch that out. This is number one. The second is that we're also seeing what's called low impact design, where rainwater is collected and wants to be reutilized for irrigation. But then you have two layers of irrigation. You have the bottom layer with the rainwater system, and then they put a second layer for the regular potable water because you don't have enough rainwater to last a full year. Well, what we're going to suggest is that you combine those two with what's called an aquifer pipe. The aquifer pipe has a front end, which is a distribution tank, so the rainwater will flow into the distribution tank and flow into the aquifer pipe, or when there's no more rainwater, then potable water will flow into the distribution tank and then flow into the aquifer pipe. The aquifer pipe in general is placed 12 inches below the surface, so you're going to get better utilization of the water because you're not going to lose water to evaporation. Now, you're utilizing both rainwater and potable water. Now, the third is to put the gray water into the distribution tank. So now you're utilizing rain, the gray, and then if you still need water, then the potable water. But usually in apartment complexes or commercial buildings, you're going to have more than enough water to meet the needs of that landscape. Now that you have enough water, and it's all alternative water, you can actually go with much lusher landscapes, cutting down on the urban heat island, as well as grow trees on the south side to create shading. Those trees are going to give you a couple of additional points. And then if you switch out to fruit trees, you're going to pick up some more points. So now you're actually accumulating quite a bit of points towards your LEED certification. One, non-potable water or drinkable water on landscape, shading the south side of a building for thermal protection, and then third is fruits and vegetables within the landscape. I hope that helps out. Look for our website for more information, and always think green.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.